tutorial, we're going to look at a few different things in Unity. Let's just have some fun exploring Unity, the Unity editor, how things work. You have your main camera here. I'm just swiping out the mouse and turning it sideways. I want to see you can see here the view area of the camera. Let's move the camera in and out, different directions, and you can see how the camera's moving. It looks like the asteroid's moving, but it's really the camera. Command Z, set it back. And then let's take a look at the asteroid real quick, and let's see how far on the Z axis you could tell that, actually, which direction? Yeah, Z's going that way. Okay, so how far on the Z can we go until it disappears? Okay, I could still see it. You probably can't on the video. And it kind of disappears right around there. So right past 1,000 on the Z. I'm gonna Command Z, and let's take a look at the camera. Oh, look at that, clipping planes. I have a feeling that 1,000 right there is what determines how far you can see in the distance. Let's change this to like 10 and see what happens. Clipping planes. So let's take the asteroid and go. Oop, yeah. See, once it goes past 10, you can't see it anymore. Okay, so I'm going to set it back to 1,000, and then so that determines how we want to design our game, right? So maybe we want to put the asteroids way back there when we spawn them. So let's see if we can do that. So I'm going to remove this one, or I could leave it there for now if you want. And then let's go into our spawning the asteroids. We spawned it at 000. So on the Z, we could spawn it at 1,000. Now it's going to take a while to get to the screen, so let me just bump it back a little bit. Let's go to like 200 for now. Whoop, that's 200 for now. Let it compile. Okay, so it should spawn a new asteroid in the distance at 200. I guess I should remove this one first. Okay, so we'll push play. Here's another feature of Unity that's pretty cool. Watch this. So I could push pause, and I could see where this instantiated one came in, and it's already at Z. See, it's already at 190 because it came in at 200 and it's coming towards us. Okay, and here it comes, and now it's taken a long time to get here. So maybe if we set it that far back, we're gonna have to play around what speed we want. Or maybe that's good, because in the beginning of the game, maybe you have some dialogue going while the asteroids are coming, and that'll give you enough time. And if you notice, all these other asteroids have been spawned in the meantime, and there they come. Okay, so how about we randomly spawn them in different places, like on the X and Y. Now I don't think you want to go too crazy with the X and Y. We could, I think it's go random dot range. Or random range, is that how you? Is it random? Wait. Or is it math.random? I think it's random.range. Random.range, and then you put two values in here. Let's go -4, 4, and then parentheses. And yeah, so that should go between -4 and 4 on the X. And then let's do the same thing, copy and paste for the Y. And so they should be kind of placed higher or lower, just random values. It'll generate a random number between -4 and 4, so it could be -3, -2, and see, you can see they're kind of spawning in different locations. Okay, so it already looks a little better. Okay, and then finally we want to get rid of the asteroid when it gets like right past the camera, as if it hit your spaceship or something, right? So like right, boom, there, and right there, boom. So let's do that then. So where we're going to do that is on the other code file that we created for this game called the Asteroid script. And so pretty simply, in the update, it's moving by speed. By the way, we could adjust speed. Maybe we'll do that later. And then we'll just say, we'll make an if statement. If game object dot transform, if it's transform dot position dot z. Now it's coming towards you in the negative. So let's just say less than 0 for right now, so you could see it disappear right in front of you. If it's less than 0, I believe it's destroy, and then you write in parentheses game object. Okay, so that'll destroy whatever a game object this script is attached to, it will be destroyed. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so let's hit play. And I think this should probably be enough for this tutorial, and then in the next tutorial we'll actually make it hit the ship and cause damage and stuff like that. That'll be fun. Okay, so here we go. And it's taken quite a while. I should have sped them up, but here we go. They should, once they get to 0 coordinate, they should start disappearing. There you go. That one disappeared. That one disappeared. And they'll disappear from the hierarchy as well. So let's take a look at this one's Z coordinate. He's way back there at 100, and when he gets to right when he gets to 0, it'll disappear. And so it's that guy right there, and then boom, it's gone from the hierarchy. He disappeared. Okay, so go ahead and have fun doing that, and play around with the numbers, and then we will adjust the speed and cause some damage in the next tutorial. Okay, have fun.